All right, so that looks good. Now we got to put this on. Here's my old one, right? So now we got to put the new one on. Get her out of the package. Take a look at it. And so look, here's the difference. Check this out. So here's the brass. You see that? That's why this stuff's so expensive, because it's got this brass on it, right? Look at this. Look at that mess. That's why we had to get a new one. You follow me? That's horrible. That looks terrible. All right, so let's set that down. This is our new one. We got our screws right over there. So what I got to do is just get this matched up. And you can see how this part here goes through here, right? So I just kind of set it on there, find the holes, and then we're just going to hand tighten them with the screwdriver. So let's get them on there. And usually if you can get the first one in, it should be good. You never know though, because we're putting new to old, which can be problematic. So I'm not going to tighten it all the way down, I'm just going to get it going. And I'll just go all the way around and do it this way. And notice that these have this like little bitey thing, like a bitey washer. I think we're doing pretty good so far. I mean, I just hope everything works good once we get it all put together. I'm not an expert, so I'm doing something that's you probably should hire somebody to do. But I like to do stuff myself and figure it out. But, you don't want to screw up. So you definitely want to make sure you get it done right. But I think so far I've done pretty good. All right, now I'm going to go around and just get them a little bit tighter. A little bit tighter. I'm just taking my time. I'm not going crazy. So now we got all, basically we just rebuilt this whole thing. Just small little tightenings. Nice and tight. Remember, it's plastic, so it can break. So you gotta be careful. I think I'm getting pretty good there. I mean, there's no like instruction book. There's people online that are showing you this, but they don't tell you how tight to get this. I think that should do it. Now, this was brand new. So I'm thinking I can take it off of here, like this, and kind of cleaner, and we'll put it on here. So you just want to get any chunks off of it. You know what I mean? All right, so this, I want to lube this up really good. So I'm going to get some of this on my finger, lube it up, make sure you got both sides lubed. And then I'm just going to put it right around here, just like that. You see that? That's nice and lubed up now. And yeah, you need it like that. And that's that, man. That is that.